Hi there, super kids! Do you want to feel strong, stay healthy, and have tons of energy every day? It all starts with good habits. Today, we're going to learn how to take care of ourselves and our world. First, remember, early to bed and early to rise. Sleeping and waking early gives you the energy you need a superstar. Then, hop in the bath to keep them from germs. Time to eat! Always wash your hands before and after every meal. Choose nutritious food full of vitamins to help you grow. Make sure your fruits and veggies before you eat them.
Keep that body moving.
Comb your hair twice a day.
Wear clean, ironed clothes and keep your nails trimmed.
If you need to cough or sneeze, always cover your mouth to stop germs from spreading.
Cleanliness is a superpower. Always throw garbage in the dustbin to keep your environment healthy. At home, keep your wardrobe organized and pull your tap to save precious water. At school, work with your classmates to keep the classroom clean. Arrange your books and stationery neatly in your bag, and always take care of your books. That means no scribbling.